Listen up, you framework collectors. If you are taking this course, you have learned 9 powerful systems over the last 9 episodes, and if you implement them separately, you will fail spectacularly. I watched a company invest $9 million in transformation, execute 4 successful initiatives, and end up negative $12 million. Every work stream delivered, every metric improved, and the company got worse. Integration is not optional. It's the difference between $47 million in value creation and $59 million in value destroyed. Hello, my name is Todd Hagopi, and I'm the original Stagnation Assassin, founder and CEO of the Stagnation Assassins. As always, this will be a fast paced, bold, in your face episode where we will help teach all of the aspiring stagnation assassins out there how to declare war on stagnation. If you have issues with successful initiatives that somehow don't add up to transformation, in this podcast, you will discover why integration multiplies rather than adds. The 3 integration points that connect all 9 frameworks. Your complete 90-day transformation playbook for executing everything you've learned. Here is the problem. Picture this transformation tragedy. Consumer Goods Division 2014, not my transformation. I looked at it after the collapse to understand what had happened. They invested $9 million in transformation, hired top consultants, launched 4 major initiatives. Every single one succeeded. Supply chain optimization reduced inventory 23%, improved fill rates from 87 to 94%, decreased logistics costs $4 million annually. Success. Product portfolio rationalization. They eliminated hundreds of SKUs, focused resources on top performers, improved gross margins by a couple hundred basis points. Success. Sales force effectiveness. Restructured territories, implemented new CRM, increased sales per rep by 30%. Success. Operational excellence. Deployed lean manufacturing, reduced cycle times 40%. First pass yield went up. Success. 4 successful initiatives. Combined projected value $47 million annually. Actual result negative 12. Decline in operating income. How do you get worse while every initiative succeeds? The initiatives never connected. They operated as independent work streams, each optimized locally while destroying value systematically. Supply chain reduced inventory by 23% by cutting safety stock. Portfolio rationalization eliminated the slow moving SKUs. When they killed those SKUs, demand volatility concentrated on the remaining products. These new lean inventory methods couldn't handle that increased variability. Stockouts tripled from 8% to 23%. Product rationalization eliminated entry level products generating only 12% of the revenue, but those products led customers into the premium portfolio. New customer acquisition collapsed. Operational excellence reduced cycle times through smaller batches, but supply chain's inventory models assumed old production patterns. Manufacturing built inventory in different patterns than supply chain expected. Warehouses filled with the wrong products while customers screamed about stockouts. 4 successful initiatives, 0 integration, negative $12 million combined impact. The CEO asked a question that changed how I think about transformation. How do we prevent this? Every initiative had executive sponsors. We had weekly steering committee meetings. Everyone reported green, green, green. How did we not see this coming? The answer: we were measuring individual initiative success, not integrated system performance. They optimized the pieces, but not the whole. They celebrated the local wins while missing systemic failure. Time to understand why integration multiplies. We need to deploy the 3 integration points that connect everything. Stop thinking additively, think multiplicatively. Most executives calculate better team plus improved processes plus portfolio equals 75% improvement. Wrong. Transformation multiplies. 1.2 times 1.25 times 1.3 equals 1.95. That's 95% improvement, not 75%. But even that underestimates the reality because true integration creates compounded effect. In the refrigeration division, we had 65% improvement. Actual integrated result was 127% and actually got up to 300% at the 36 months. 3 effects create multiplication. Effect 1, elimination of conflict costs. Unintegrated initiatives create friction that destroys value. Consumer goods disaster showed $59 million in conflict costs, that more than the initiatives and the individual value combined. Integration eliminates conflicts, freeing energy for value creation. Effect 2, amplification of strengths. The 4-position team identifies orthodoxies to challenge. The 80-20 matrix focuses orthodoxy smashing on Q1 priorities. The 3A method implements innovations in 6 weeks, and every framework amplifies every other framework. Effect 3, acceleration of learning. Unintegrated intelligence to implementation takes 6 months, 2 learning cycles annually. Integrated intelligence to implementation takes 6 weeks, 8 plus learning cycles a year. 4 times faster learning compounds into exponential capability. Now deploy the 3 integration points. Integration point 1, team plus energy plus focus. Chapters 2, 3, and 4 together. Your 4-position team applies Karelin intensity to 80-20 priorities exclusively. Morning war rooms make decisions on Q1 blockers. Kill list prevents distractions from top priorities. 3A campaigns target Q1 improvements only. Right people plus focused intensity plus critical priorities equal exponential productivity. Integration point 2, intelligence plus innovation plus velocity. Chapters 5, 8, and 9 together. Customer obsession reveals which orthodoxies to challenge. The 70% rule enables testing orthodoxy, smashing innovations in weeks, not months. The revenue responsibility engineering ensures technical teams optimize for market windows. Intelligence plus orthodoxy smashing plus rapid decisions equals market leadership before competitors can respond. Integration point 3, improvement plus capacity plus execution. Chapters 6, 7, and 9 together. Capacity optimization frees up resources. Continuous improvement deploys those resources systematically. Rapid decisions maintain momentum. Freed capacity plus systematic improvement plus decision velocity equals compounding capability. Your 90-day playbook executes everything. Days 1 through 7, foundation week. Ask the 90-day questions. Assess the 4-position team. Build quick 80-20 analysis and select your first battle. Days 8 through 30, quick wins phase. Kill Q4 value destroyers through immediate repricing. Launch the 3A projects. Deploy Karelin intensity with morning war rooms and kill lists. Days 31 through 60, acceleration phase. Complete full 80-20 matrix. Implement 3-wave attack on your portfolio. Launch magnificent obsessions and start smashing orthodoxies. Days 61 through 90, integration phase. Deploy rapid decision making. Activate all 3 integration points. Build measurement dashboard. Celebrate wins and plan your next 90 days. By day 90, tens of millions of dollars of profit improvement. Typical. Decision velocity has improved 75%. 6 to 12 3A projects are already active. Transformation capability operational, not a special initiative, but as how you work on a regular basis. Remember, visit tatagopian.com for some awesome free content on slaying stagnation, or go straight to the source and visit the world's largest stagnation slaughterhouse at stagnationassassins.com. Make sure to sign up for updates, follow me on socials, buy our books, do all the things. But most importantly, tune in here next time as we continue to declare war on stagnation. Now let's talk about your homework. Your integration assignment. Map how your current initiatives connect with each other or don't. Identify where frameworks might conflict rather than multiply. Then design your 90-day playbook using the structure I've given you. Foundation week, quick wins phase, acceleration phase, integration phase. The frameworks are proven. The integration approach is systematic. The only remaining variable is whether you have the discipline to execute them together rather as several disconnected initiatives that succeed individually while failing collectively. Do the right thing. Let's talk next week. I appreciate you folks.